What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're back with another reaction again, and today we're doing 𝐂𝐀𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 daily Duppy. Because myself 𝐂𝐂𝐃, I see a video, but I didn't react to it because I wasn't feeling well. I'm still not 100%, but I'm here. That is the key. I'm still not 100%, but I'm here. All right. I have my lemon water here. I go and sip pan, and you don't know. We're gonna pause every 10 seconds. Thanks to the new subscribers them as well. Big up on yourself, Masuna. Big up. The comment section is very active. Yes, Masuna, and I reply to all comments as you guys know. So let's just jump straight tonight and see what I go on. Let's go. 𝐂𝐀𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you ready, bro? Let's go. By the way, this is the first song I'm reacting to for this guy, so I don't know who he is. I don't know what he's about. I don't know how him sound. I've never watched it before, but let's go.
I came from it. I really came from it. Stonebridge Northwest 10. Google the name on it.
Him sound good. Him sound confident. So basically, he must start by telling the which part him forward from, which is Northwest 10. Let's go.
I was playing with straps when you was playing Sonic. I was running through the flats when you was reading comics.
So basically, the man I tell you, listen, I've been on the street from a younger age. I've been doing it since you are play Sonic and you are read comic book. Me done been on the street like the white line in the middle of the road, the white line. That's what the man thing there. Let's go.
I wasn't trying to be the man. I was really on it. As quiet as they come, so no one even noticed. I always had my gun. I never needed orders.
Him ever been that guy that has been quietly doing his thing. Him not load up him thing. When it come to badness, him ever have him gun pan him. Him not need nobody. Him not need no friend. Him not need no older guys. Him always have him strap for defend him thing. The same thing there.
From Stonebridge to see the streets of breeding cobras. I seen the snake take shape and then call me homie. I seen him make killing mate like you didn't know him.
Street life. People kill, like friend kill friend. Friend grew up in the same community, go same school. The man got the same church or the same community center or whatever. And the man them grow up and because of greed and money, them kill each other. That the boss seen it. The boss.
Fun food, I see spider told him. I see the snipers on the roof when they came to hold him. I see the riders in the coupe when the windows open. I see them fire then shoot until the thing unloaded.
Man, I tell everything what him say. Him I tell him see sniper up on the roof. Him see the shooter them in the coupe. Him see everything. But here what? Him still a mind him one business. But he's still humble. He's that guy that's been on the street. You see me? The kid in Top Boy, the kid in a Top Boy, the little white youth where always dirty and thing, where always dep on the street and see certain things. This guy remind me of that kid. Him see everything, but he choose not to say anything. Him act like him not have no sense, but he's seen it.
I almost died a couple times. I guess I must be chosen. I gave him fire in the booth, and I left it smoking.
Whoa, he must say. I almost died a couple times. And also, him give them the fire on the boat and left Charlie smoking. I can't breathe. Man. Let's go again. That's my Charlie slat impression. Big up, Charlie.
I boomed off the door and I left it open. Maybe because I'm white is why they didn't know it. Maybe when I die they tell you who the GOAT is. You crazy in your mind if I ain't been.
And boot off the door. I left it open for others. But maybe because I'm white, that's why them don't notice. That is what he's saying, not me. You see me? Yeah, the boss I tell you. Say, listen, I've been there. I've done it. You see me? When time is dead, then them are going to crown me as the GOAT. Remember, you are nobody until somebody kills you, or you are nobody until you're dead, you know. When time you're dead, them start giving you your praises and your props.
Fuck waiting on the time to go and seize the moment. I'm taking what's mine, fuck if you condone it. And fuck these haters online, they don't know where the road is.
Drink some water. Because he's spitting truth, he's spitting facts. Some of these boys are keyboard warriors. I'm telling them before, them are keyboard warriors. Them don't know where the road is. Them don't know where the road is. When them come out on the road, them have to look left and look right. Then them cross. Them don't know the road code. Them are novice. Them are noob to the thing.
I'm the type of guy that don't know where my home is. You're the type of guy we get a weed to roll it.
I'm the type of guy who don't know where my home is. You're the type of guy who me give me weed for roll it. So look at you. Hey, roll up this. I'm here. Roll up this. Hurry up to. When you send a wisdom there, alright, go on a shop. Buy some wisdom forward back and roll up this.
Ever in your life have you been a Trojan? Forever telling lies cause you've been a rodent. And you're never gonna slide cause you're never holding.
See? You see? I'm telling about the road until the last thing, you know. I'm telling about the road until the last reaction, which is Chip. Big up Chip. I'm telling about the road and them. I'm telling you some big rat, them not Jerry, some big rat.
You know me and mine are forever rolling. You know true or lie, I ain't never spoken. And when it's do or die, I ain't never frozen.
Big up the editor them, you know. Yeah, man. Big up the editor them, man. Big up them. Them do a damn good work. Yeah, man.
I ain't never letting go. I ain't never folding. A night for a night, it's a steady motion. The devil's trying to get me, trying to catch me coasting.
The devil's trying to get me and them trying to catch me coasting. This guy is confident with him wordplay is stinging. Him choice of beat is stinging. Like, maybe I forgot to do my research on 𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐃, you know. As this is the first I'm listening to him I spit. So minute if you do my research on it.
Put this pedal to the metal anyway I'm going. Baguettes in the kettle look like water flowing. The Rolex wet, it got all the stones in.
Baguette in the kettle. What him say about kettle again a while ago? Him say something about kettle.
Trying to get me, trying to catch me coasting. Put this pedal to the metal anyway I'm going.
Put the pedal to the metal anyway. So basically, he might drive even without a license. The man I tell us, anyway, I'm going to put him pedal to the metal. Yeah, what's it now?
Baguettes in the kettle look like water flowing. The Rolex wet, it got all the stones in. My dome been stressed, but I'm sort of coping.
Baguette in the kettle. Can someone explain that line for me? Because I know say them cook in the kettle in prison. So, baguette in the kettle. Can somebody explain that line for me, please?
Thinking about small got me more than broken. I'm thinking about more, I need all my focus. Trying to juggle love, trying to juggle road shit.
It's hard. It's hard. I must try to juggle love and I must try to juggle road shit. So it's hard, but he needs to stay focused. He needs to be on P's and Q's. Yo, big up the artist, man.
Trying to level up, trying to get this dough quick. Remember being broke, remember being homeless. Remember being stuck, remember me in Stonebridge.
He's been there. He's been there. He's been broke. He's been homeless. He's done it. But now, you elevate yourself up now. You can be able to tell us about your past, you know? You can put it in your music, you know? You pass the worst, bro. Big up yourself.
I'm mentally fucked, remember seeing cold shit. I'm mentally stuck looking at this cold fifth. I'm meant to be loved, but I don't even know it. But
it's deep. Deep. Deep.
Mentally stuck looking at this cold fifth. I'm meant to be loved, but I don't even know it. But when I'm in cuffs, I'll never know shit.
Yeah. Hey. So, him just a say, one time him in the cuff, him never know shit. Basically, when the police them stop him and cuff him for whatever reason, no comment. All the way, no comment. Me nah snitch. Cause snitches get stitches, bitch. Bitch! You know that. So let's go.
When you're in cuffs, you won't ever don't snitch. Got me on remand for taking my own shit. Doing circles round the yard like a fucking goldfish.
Got him on the remand for taking his own shit, doing circle around his yard like a goldfish.
I'm 30 in the yard, they don't know who Koke is. He said he's my dog, I don't know who bro is.
So, when I'm in a prison, him have people, I say, yo, him a feed them dog. Or them a feed him dog, but he don't know who this guy is. Okay.
Bro, I don't know bro with. Looking at his cuff, I can see he don't fit. Talking like he shots and never seen a whole brick.
Yo, this youth, he's just confident. He's just flowing. Once again, big up the editor them, bro. Big up the editor them, guys. No joke, guys. Big up the editor them, brother. Like, me always big up the editors them pan any daily Duppy me do, cause me know it. Fire. Me love it. Me love the editing skills pan these guys.
Talking about the ops, I never been on no trips. Talking like a boss and he ain't got no soldiers. I'm 30 where I'm from and anywhere I'm posted.
You talk like you're the boss and you're not a soldier. Nobody not like you. You don't have no friend around you. I be a snake around you. Nobody not like you. That the boss I said, not me. So stop talk like you're a boss. You're nothing but a basket. You're nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. Let's go.
Early in the morning like I gotta go get. Turning every corner, holding every moment. Cause any day could be a loss. You just never know when.
True. Any day could be a loss. So live. Live like it is your last day on earth, dog. Anything you have to put your all in. You see me? Anything you have to put your all in because you never know what tomorrow brings. You see me? Yeah. That's right there.
So I'm rolling with this dog. I ain't taking no check.
But I say, yo, am I rolling them dog? Him not take no check. Remember say check bones. Remember say check out of style now, no brother. Me not take no check. Not even bank can offer me check right now. None of that. Me don't need it. Keep it to yourself. Yo, big up Keiko. I Ain't Perfect coming soon. So, what's this? A mixtape? Keiko, 4 p.m. So, what is this dropping? Body of work? A mixtape or album or something? Yo, big up Keiko. Solid, confident, rhythm choice bad, clarity bad. You see me? Your composer bad. What you say bad. You see me? Everybody that's lived that life supposed to can relate to at least 90% of what he's saying, if that 100. So big up Keiko. You see me? Big up Keiko. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. You know, all of my socials that's all of my relevant socials at the top of this, at the top of my head right now, floating about, as you can see. Intermission. So guys, it's your boy JAMAICA'S Gamer. I understand, and I'm out. Yeah, peace.